Hello, family. Thank you for joining me for this live video. If you're watching this from YouTube channel, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, please. If you're watching this from my Facebook profile or my page or my group, please like and share because the more we inform people, the more it's gonna be better. So today I'm gonna be talking on how to post a truck and why post a truck on DAT load board. So for the one that doesn't know me, my name is Mimi Diallo. I am me and my husband, we own a small fleet of a box truck. I also dispatch people and I train for the one who wanna start dispatching. I train. So the link, if you want to link it to enroll for one of my training, the link is down below in the comments or in the post, depending on where you're watching this. So if you want to get started, start your business, your trucking business, either it's a box truck, semi truck, a flatbed, or whatever, feel free to contact me. My phone number is 404-322-8827. Okay, without wasting more of your time, I'm going to jump into the training. So let me share my screen with you. All right, this is when you sign in to DAT. This is the basically the screen that you're gonna get. So to post a truck, this is where you go, post a truck. But first of all, you're gonna be like, Mimi, I can go on the load board and get loads. So why should I post a truck? You know, you can post a truck in different type of scenario. Like one that I stuck on right off in my head is when, let's say you pick up a load from Georgia to Texas, from Utah to Georgia. Let's say from Utah to Miami. Okay, let's say from Utah to Miami, Salt Lake City, Utah to Miami. So you do that, and you know it's gonna take you about 4 to 5 days to get there. So to make your life easy, and you know that Florida is their head, you can go ahead and post a truck. In that postal truck, you're gonna mention when you're gonna be available, up to when you're gonna stay in Florida to get a load. So some broker, they don't post on the load board. They would go first and look at the postal truck that are there on, and they will contact you, and you can get a better negotiation price there because they're reaching out to you. So that's one of the reasons. Or sometime, okay, okay. So sometime you're going to you're going from Utah to Florida. You can say, okay, I'm gonna pass by this state, this state. So you can post a truck in those states on different dates. So you can get a partial. So there's different reasons. Sometimes you do it to make your life easier, like you spend the whole day looking for loads and you haven't find any, but you want to go to sleep. You booking the load yourself, or you are a dispatcher, so you can now work 24 hours. So when you going to sleep or you getting off, like let's say around 7 p.m. and there is one of your carrier you haven't find a load for, you can do that. So while you're sleeping or you getting a rest, maybe you can pick up a load for that person. Okay. So that's those reasons that you can post a truck. So again, if you just joined this video, I'm doing a training on how to post a truck on Deity. So you go ahead and click on post truck, then you click on creating a new post. So here it just generates. So I was doing a training the other day, so that's why we put it. So let's just put, let's say, okay, I'm gonna be in Atlanta, Georgia. Oh, Atlanta, Georgia. So another way to, if you open to go pretty much anywhere. So I want to pick up my next load, get booked before I get there. So I'm pretty open to anywhere. So you're gonna put empty here. You don't put nothing. So that will put the post as uh origin Atlanta, Georgia, and destination anywhere. So that puts you open. But in case of the example that I give, let's say you're coming from Utah, going to Florida, and let's just pretend you go through Atlanta. So you want to pick up a partial in Atlanta, and you're gonna put your destination is Miami, Miami, Florida. What is this? Miami, Florida. Okay. So you're gonna do that, and I'm looking for partial. I select partial, but if you were looking for full, you're gonna select full. So I did partial. My box choice is 26 foot long. If you're doing it for semi, you can put 53, whatever length is your semi. So then the maximum that your semi can take 44,000 example. So you put your number, or you can put any note in here. Reference, you don't worry about it, but if you want, you happen to be a big time dispatcher or a company that got a lot of truck, you can put a reference. So when a broker, somebody reach out to you about that, you can automatically know what it is. So create an alarm. It was green, and it is you wanted 150 data aid. So you're willing to drive out of Atlanta to pick up. So, and you click on post. So that's the post that we did we're going from Atlanta to Miami. But let's do another post that's create new post. So this one, I'm gonna do it. Let's say I got another truck. In Chattanooga. Chattanooga, Tennessee, and the truck driver is willing to go anywhere. And dates, though the one I didn't mention the date, but here let's say, okay, my driver gonna be in Chattanooga the 9th, Thursday the 9th, and he will be there until the next day. So, and we're looking for full. Okay, always aim for a full truck, you know. So, and here the specification, you can truck type. What truck type? Brooks truck, van. So let's just do power only. This one, let's do for a power only. So it's a 53, the lane. We're looking for maximum 44,000. That's the number. We can put any comment like throw it away. That's what we're looking. Or if it was a truck that the owner a trailer. So you put any notes that you want, you know. So reference again, if you want, you put that, and you select alarm and radius. If you want, you're willing to draw or have 200 miles, you change it to 200 miles. So this is post. So it will post this. So if we go back to search for truck, let's say I put Atlanta, you should be able to see the post that I did earlier. Yes, you see, Atlanta to Miami available for 44,000 pounds. But here, the type of truck, I forgot to change that. So this is, and the broker click on it, it see my information, everything, you know. So let's go back and change the posted truck here. A 44 straight truck cannot take that. So it'll be a van driving. So it will update it. So you see it changed it to van. So this is how you post a truck on DAT. All right, so like so you see here, I'm gonna delete them. This is how you delete them. So again, if you just join me, you watching this from Facebook, please like and subscribe to my channel. If you're watching this from Facebook, anywhere, my profile, my page, or the group, my group is Box Truck Learning Classes. So if you're watching it from Facebook, please share with your friend and like and comment. So put your question and I will be more than happy to answer your question. Again, if you want to get training from me, my number is 404-322-8827. I train people on how to dispatch the truck, box truck, driving, flatbeds, and a reefer. So I also train people, mentor them on how to create the trucking company. So until next time, let's keep the hustle on and let's go make those money.